MJBizCon is undoubtedly the largest cannabis conference, I think, on the planet.
It's the epicenter of what's going on in cannabis. Everybody's here. If you want to be in the know, you have to be here.
If you have an opportunity to come to MJBiz, in one room you can speak to just about any discipline that you would require to make your operation successful.
Taking meetings, collaborating with other people, and helping each other's businesses grow. That's the best part of MJBizCon for sure.
Really anything and everything that you're possibly looking for will be at MJBizCon.
And it all starts right here in Vegas at MJBizCon.